Okay, so let's proceed to the second example for converting transfer function into state space representation. Pero this time, yung numerator natin is polynomial na. No? Doon kasi sa first example ko, yung numerator is a constant, no? Or a number. So, to process this, i-separate natin into two block diagrams. So, first, R of S, and then sa denominator muna, 9s squared plus 26s plus 24, and then denote natin to as x1 of s, and then the numerator. So yung numerator natin 7s plus 2, and then the output would be c of s. Okay? So dito muna tayo sa denominator part. So denominator, and then this is the numerator. So sa denominator, so same pa rin yung process, x1 over r equals 1 over s cubed plus 9s squared plus 26s plus 24. And then cross multiply natin and i-inverse Laplace transform natin. Pero diretso yun na natin, no? Shortcut na natin. So s cubed, so x1 triple dot plus 9 x1 double dot plus 26 x1 dot plus 24 x1 equals r. Okay? And then we state the number of state variable. So since third yung ating derivative, tatlo din yung state variable natin. So x1, x2, and then x3. And i-equate natin into successive derivatives. So x1 equals x1, and then x1 dot, and then x2. x1 double dot. Okay, and then we take the derivative of the state variables. So x1 dot equals x1 dot, and then x2 dot equals x1 double dot, and then x3 dot equals x1 triple dot. So si x1 dot is equals to x2, and then x1 double dot is equals to x3, and then x1 triple dot is itong equation na to na nasa taas. Okay? Dito ko na isulat sa baba. So r minus 9x1 double dot, which is x3, minus 26 x1 dot is x2, minus 24 x1. So yung x1 natin is x1. Okay? So then pwede natin isulat into state equation, no, na naka-vector or naka-matrix form. So x1 dot, x2 dot, x3 dot equals, si x1 dot is x2, so 0, 1, 0. Okay. So state vector natin. Okay. And then ano pa, x2 dot is x3, so 0, 0, 1, and then last, so minus 24, minus 26, minus 9, and then for the input, so 0, 0, 1, and then r. Okay? So tapos na tayo dito sa state equation natin. Next, for the output equation, dito na papasok yung numerator. So ito naman yung i-process natin. So C of S over x1 of s equals yung numerator natin. So yung numerator natin is s squared plus 7s plus 2 plus 7s plus 2, and then ganun ulit. So C of S equals sige, isulat ko na lang muna. And then x1 of s, and then we take the inverse Laplace. So magiging C or C of t, hindi naman yun. Then ito ay x1 double dot plus 7x1 dot plus 2x1. Pero si x1 double dot, dito natin kukunin. which is x3. So, ito ay x3 plus 7x1 dot x1 dot is x2. 7x2 plus yung 2x1 will be 2x1. Okay, kasi si x1 is x1 din. Okay? So, ito na yung ating output. Pwede na natin ilagay yung isulat into output. So, y equals c or c of t, which is yung output natin. So, 2, 7, and then 1, and then the state vectors x1, x2, and x3. Yan. So, tapos na. So, di ba madali? Madali lang siya. No? So, ito yung output natin, and ito yung state equation natin. State equation. Okay? So, ganun lang yung process. No?